In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide recent game activity on Steam. If you want a little more privacy on Steam so friends or visitors can't see what you've been playing or how many hours you've logged, this quick setting is exactly what you need. We'll do everything inside your Steam profile settings, and it works the same whether you're using the desktop app or a web browser. First, open Steam and go to your home screen. In the top right corner, click your profile avatar or username to open the account menu, then choose View My Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile page, the same page other people see when they visit your profile. If you don't immediately see the option, look for your small avatar or name in the header. The menu appears when you click it. Once your profile page loads, look for the Edit Profile button. Click that and then select Privacy Settings from the menu on the left side. This area controls who can see key parts of your profile, including your friends list, inventory, and most importantly, your game information. We're going to adjust just one section so your recent game activity and play history are no longer visible to others. Find the Game Details section. This controls your game list, achievements, and playtime, along with the recently played panel on your profile. Change this setting to Private. Setting game details to private hides your entire game library from other users and removes your recent activity from your profile page so people can't see what you played last or how many hours you've played in the past 2 weeks. If you only want to limit it to friends, you could choose friends only instead, but private is the most restrictive option and ensures maximum privacy. As soon as you make this change, it takes effect immediately. No need to save on most versions of the client. If you or someone else still sees your old activity, give it a moment, refresh the page, or restart the Steam client to clear any cached view. This setting doesn't affect your ability to join games, chat, or use the store. It only changes what others can see about your gameplay history and achievements. That's it. By switching game details to private, you've effectively hidden your recent game activity and playtime from prying eyes. If you ever change your mind, come back to the same privacy settings page and adjust the visibility to your preference. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly tuned privacy on Steam.